Hello, and I don't know if you remember me, but I made, when COVID first came out, I made like a mask, a shield mask out of a crash helmet. I'm one of these people who just thinks of things and think out of the box and tries different things. But as time has gone on with this COVID and the mask thing, I hope you're using hemp masks because they're made out of a plant and they're biodegradable, so that it's not plastic. It dissolves after a certain amount of time. Not like plastic, it stays out there forever, like in the sea, and the fish eat it, and you eat it, and your kids eat it, and everybody eats it, and animals and all that die from it. So yeah, so hemp masks, that's got to be a must. So back onto the mask is like going out and seeing the mask, they're on, they're off, they're on, they're off, they're on, they're off, especially when you've got glasses, or like you wear an hat, I don't know, whatever you wear that's in the way. And you must have found things that get in the way when you put these masks on. You're getting hold of them, and you know, you're going over the ear like that, and you've got to get the other hand off, you've got to tuck it in and get it out, and yeah, I'm steaming up already. So I was thinking the other day, and I thought, hold on, let's see if there's a way around this. Oh yeah, got to show this, just in case. You never know, somebody out there might be interested. Okay, so let's carry on. So I thought of a different way, and I thought that is quite a pain in the butt. Now, you can buy masks that I have to do this because you never know, you know, people say, oh, you can't use that, but I'm trying to just do it. So, show you how to do this. So, people buy the mask and I like to wear a different one, not the same one all the time, you know, they like it. And, you know, you can wash them, and that sort of thing. And things like these, you know, the things snap, it's not strong enough, and all that sort of thing. They've got to make those better so they do last, and you can wash them. So, the idea I had is I'm going to show you now is like this. Yeah, like that. So what you do is you put it through. So if you ever want to change your mask to another mask, you can. Anytime you want. Okay, you put that through, like so. Okay, and this. Then you put that through, like so. And just like that, you can swap your mask over. So, okay. So then, I've got it round the wrong way, so let's see how quick I can do it by turning it round. Take it out. This bit is a bit dodgy because if somebody did take on this product and make it worldwide, then make it a lot better, because this is my prototype. So let's put together bits and pieces that I had at home, like all my other ideas. So now you've got your mask, and there it is. Now, you know where you got to flick it over your ears and all that sort of thing? Well, this one, if you go like so, and you go like so. Now flicking over the ear, you can flick it over the ear if you want to flick it over the ear, right? So you put it on, you move around, well, you know. So this is the idea of it. So it's easy to put on, easy to take off. You know, the COVID masks, loads of masks. And I haven't seen one like this yet. And hopefully, you know, these companies will make it easier for everybody to do it. You know, it saves on ones laying around. You know, you can buy washable ones and you can reuse them, and you can change different shapes, different colours, and carry on. So anyway, you want to take it off, you take it off. No glasses in the way, you know, take your hat off. You want to put it back on, you go, alright, let's get it right. I don't use these often, see, told you they snap, but you get the idea? So, they've got to make these stronger. round it. Anyway, so like, and even though when you're out shopping, you know, like when you take it off, you go, oh, put it in my pocket, or where I can put this, well, I've got to put this down and all that. It's if you've got anywhere like metal, say on yourself, you've got something, you go, where have I put it? You go, hold on, say you got a badge, stick it on your badge, yep, take it off your badge, stick it on your badge, take it off your badge. It's not a real badge because I don't own badges. You see how easy they snap? You've got to make those stronger if you're going to have these. So basically, yeah, doing that. And so you've got a hook at home. You know, anywhere there's metal, you can put it on the car. You know, just stick it to the car, put the stuff in, and you're off. So you've got metal by the door, like a door hook or something like that. You don't have to put it on the hook. You don't have to hook it on it and put holes in it. You just touch it to the hook. And when you walk out, you just take it with you. Just walk out, take it with you. Walk in, put it on. It could be a bit of metal, it doesn't have to be a hook. As long as it's a bit of metal. And the other one that I thought of, because that's those masks, this is for the other one. Up the right one. This is the other one, in case there's companies out there interested. And for this one, you know what these are. And as you see, just in case, you know, you get blah blah blah, that's blah blah blah, blah blah blah. So, same sort of thing, yeah. I usually wear this one, and, you know, you tie a knot in it, and it's right height, you know, and you pull it over, and you try to pull it down to it, and then it stretches, and then it drops down. And then you put it up, and you're trying to do the knot, and then you try to pull it off, and it just got too much for me. I think this might have brought on the idea of these sort of things. So I thought, okay, how do I do that then? Without doing the knot, stretching, fall down, you can't get it off, you pull it over, and you've got glasses underneath, you know. Same again. Go like so, put it round. There's your mask. You'll take it off. Take it off. Again, you want to put it on. You know, no pulling it over your head, no stretching, falling down the knots and all that, and tying a knot behind your head. You want to put it on, go over it, put it on. Yeah, you want to take it off, take it off. Same again. You know, oh God, I've got this in my hand, that pocket, I haven't got the pocket there. So you go, put it on your badge, put it on the car, put it on the hook. This one ain't very good, because like, for this one, but, oh yeah, oh it did, but like, if you got a bit more metal than that, just put it on the hook, going out the door, take it with you. So, that's my idea. I don't know what you think of it. Everybody likes their own ideas, but I think it's quick and easy and people can reuse them. Oh, and this one, how you do it, is basically what I thought about is, oh, it's adjustable for different size heads. So basically what you do, see, got that? Yep, got that. And you thread it through, like one on the other side, there. Nearly forgot to tell you that. Put it down to the length you want, either side, pick it up, voila. So, hope you like those ideas. Don't forget to vote, like, subscribe. I don't know. I hope there's companies out there that think about like the planet and, you know, using hemp masks and make them a bit stronger for people so they can change their mask and wash them. And so, hope you like it, and that's it for now. Thanks and bye-bye, or good night.